Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl MzJwan. So over the weekend I worked with Maybelline Ghana in collaboration with Juvias school. They had a musical production, and as you can see, they were having so much fun behind the shoot. So yeah, I had a blast working there. And can we take a minute to just admire my friend Summer's highlight on her cheek? Wow. That highlight is just popping, girl. But yeah, we're turning some guys into girls with eyeliners and giving them beards and just the whole shebang, you know. So, and this Juvias Place palette really helped me out. So yeah, I had a blast with it. So to what you guys are here for is to watch me turn this wonderful guy into an old man. So first of all, basically I just applied a silver eyeshadow and a black eyeshadow, basically just on the brows, on the mustache, and then on his hairline. Basically that's all I was doing, just mixing it together. I applied black first and I applied the silver shade, and then I blend. And as you can see, the guy behind him, he had an Arabian look, and it was really funny to see guys in eyeliners and all that. But yeah, back to my model. He was a great model, I tell you guys. He was really great, and he was steady. I actually was having fun with it. It was my first time doing anything like movie related, you know, like turning individuals into the characters they're supposed to, you know, play on stage and all that. So yeah, I had fun, and I don't know, I got it so easy. I don't know why. It was just fun turning someone else into something else. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, I had fun, and so did his mates. And yeah, all these guys are high school, you know, seniors, and it was just fun. I'm just happy I was able to work on this. It wasn't a runway show, it was just play, and it was really nice. So yeah, I had fun creating the beard, and I was in my zone. Yeah. So here I'm just adding some little details to his hairline, just to, you know, blend everything. He has to look like an old man with gray hair, you know. So, and then when it got to his forehead, I was having a little bit of problem. As you can see him frowning. I didn't know, I was struggling to create, you know, the line over there, and my camera woman, which was Summer, was just messing up the camera angles and all that, so forgive. But I just went in with the brown eyeshadow, and then I patted on it more powder to just blend it all out. And basically I think that's that. And then I just went back in with, I was just following his natural lines on his face, and he's young, so he doesn't really have any wrinkle stuff on his face. So this part I told him to actually raise his eyebrows so I could get the lines on his forehead, and it guided me to, you know, create the lines on his forehead, which was really helpful. And I just added brown eyeshadow just to create a depth for it to look like he has hollow eyes, because we have to make him look really old. Yeah, so that's what I did, and I went back in with more black eyeshadow to create, you know, shadows, and in this case I'll say maybe contour. Yeah. So basically that's all that I did, and the rest is just blending, and it was just intuition. Actually, I was just going with my guts, just looking at him. But I did make one reference though. I went on Google and I checked Lil Wayne. If you're in Ghana, you know Lil Wayne, to see how he got his looks. And yeah, so I gave him a nose, you know, highlights. So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next one. Comment down below. Bye. Going this fire. Yeah. Pour me water.
Holy water, heal this fever.